During the hustle and bustle at Kuala Polytechnic University, 4 students of Dr. Karen Pahar's Psychology 1100 class conducted an experiment testing whether or not caffeine affects a person's alertness. As the participants arrived, they were offered complimentary breakfast and coffee for being a part of what they thought was an environmental workshop. The first workshop demonstrated that 12% of all participants seemed bored and uninterested while performing their tasks via computer and while working with hands-on activities. This is so interesting.
Yeah, I think this is going to be fun.
I was paying attention in the video and they said to burn leaves. That will help the sparks fly even more. It'll be a bigger fire. Yeah. While 88% of overall participants performed above and beyond expected standards. They were later given lunch, which included a sandwich and, of course, you guessed it, coffee. In the second workshop of the day, 10% of participants were caught sleeping or dozing off. In contrast, 90% were engaged and enthusiastic about the day's activities. Oh, I know the answer! I know it! I know the answer! We got the privilege to sit down and talk to Amanda Moon, one of the researchers for this experiment, giving us the inside scoop regarding the results.
So the behaviors that you predicted today, what you thought they were?
To be quite honest, no. The behaviors we had predicted today were quite different than what we anticipated. We didn't anticipate the number of people who had drank decaf to think they had drank caffeinated coffee to be so high. Today we were pretty much just observing what people did who were drinking caffeine, who weren't drinking caffeine, how much they were fidgeting, how much they were kind of looking around the room, yawning, basically being distracted or tired. And yeah, like I said, our results were not what we thought they were. We noticed that the people who drank decaf, the placebo effect had worked and weren't yawning nearly as much. And everyone, for the most part, said they noticed an increase in their energy level. And yeah, our results today were quite interesting and different than what we had predicted.